So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your particular iPhone keeps showing you like a green light or a red light or an orange light at the very top at the status bar. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the number one thing to remember is that for your particular phone that you're using, no matter what happens, if you are going through and basically using some sort of camera, if you're using your camera or your microphone or a some more sort of other sensor on your particular iPhone, the thing you have to remember is that these devices bring up these lights at the very top. So these can be by your notch, by your dynamic island, and it's a very easy thing to kind of, showcase. Because if you go and make your way over to like an application that requires a camera or requires a microphone or something, sometimes they'll just pop up with the green light at the very top. The green light typically indicates like the camera is being used. If it's the red light, I think that basically means that the microphone is being used, and there's different things like that. So there's a lot of different sensors. You can kind of see for yourself if you just kind of go inside of here and you start recording some random things. So if you end up starting to like record, some random things will basically just open up and start popping up. So that is kind of one thing to kind of think about, is that if you're going through recording, the red light will basically come up. So if your light is always on, one thing you can do is just restart your phone. So go through, hold on the buttons to restart your phone, restart it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing you can kind of do for the most part as well is to see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So make your way over to your settings application of your iPhone, scroll down until you see general, which is right here. Scroll into software update, which is right here, and just go through and update your phone. And chances are that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are a couple ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.